Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you were unable to send or receive emails in Gmail, well, there's a worldwide outage that started around 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time here in North America. And it's a worldwide problem. It seems that a lot of people have gone to the web to say that they are sending emails and nothing is happening, and they're not receiving anything. So if you find that your flow of emails through Gmail was or is not good, well, there seems to be a problem. From what I see in the different listings is that different blog posts is that the problem is getting better worldwide, but still some people, as of this post, which is 10 p.m., almost 10 p.m. in the Eastern Daylight Time, North America, East Coast, still have issues. So if you haven't received an email in a few hours, if your mails have not been received by the people that you were sending them to, it could be because of this outage. So it's affecting a lot of people. Is it everybody? I don't know, but it's worldwide because every country, everywhere, it seems that something is happening, and it's creating pretty big chaos right now. Gmail is one of the big, email providers, and so as soon as something happens, it's crazy. So it's like if they tell us that Google search stopped working. I mean, this would be a catastrophe, knowing that it's such a high percentage. So hang in there. Nothing about you, nothing about your PC, nothing about the configuration or anything. There is definitely something happening, but they are working on make it better and having it fixed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.